So this is going to be a video on how we can use precision swing points and market maker models. I hope you watching this means that you know what a market maker model is, and I don't have to kind of explain that, since that is more of the basic ICT knowledge. But combining it with a precision swing point might not be something that you're particularly familiar with. So first, I'm going to go over the time frame alignment. Typically, we'll be looking for market maker models one time frame below the precision swing point. So for example, a 4-hour PSP will have a 1-hour market maker model. And when I talk about the time frames, I'm going to be referring to the more traditional ones that we use. A 1-hour precision swing point, we can look for a 15-minute market maker model. A 15-minute market maker model, or a 15-minute precision swing point, we can look for a 5-minute market maker model. Hope this is starting to make sense. And then we can keep going there. You could have a daily precision swing point leading to a 4-hour market maker model. What this may look like is this. If we have a precision swing point here, okay, if we have a candle, we can look for, so if this is a bullish or a bearish PSP, okay, and this is the 4-hour time frame, for example, we could look for a 1-hour market maker sell model. So it would look like this. Okay, we have our original consolidation, accumulation stages, smart money reversal, and then distribution. Of course, going for that original consolidation. So we can look for our precision swing point here, and then we'll be looking for this market maker model, this market maker sell model on the 1-hour time frame. Now, what I don't want you to do after seeing this video, okay, is think that you need to incorporate every single concept that you see into your trading. Of course, it is useful to know about things like this, but to try to use every single thing that you know in your trading will just confuse you. We have, there's that analysis paralysis, and you'll just become confused and you just won't trade to the best of your ability. It would be like trying to use 50 PD arrays for your entry. There will just be too much on your screen. So keep it simple. And then of course, we can have in our stages, if you miss the market maker model smart money reversal, if you miss this smart money reversal, we can look for PD arrays, right? We would expect this gap to hold, given that we are now in a market maker sell model. And since this is a 1-hour gap, okay, we'll be using the 5-minute time frame for an entry. 1 hour PDA, 5-minute entry. Right? So this may be a 5-minute precision swing point. Okay, and then what could be inside of our 5-minute precision swing point? Well, we would have a we would have a 1-minute market maker model. Okay, so then on the 1-minute time frame, you can look for a market maker model. Or in this example, a market maker sell model within this 1 hour PD array, which is within the 4-hour precision swing point. So you can see how every single thing is fractal, right? And how it all works like gears in a system. Hopefully this made sense, and it's something that if you see fit, you can incorporate into your own trading. But as I said, I really want to emphasize the fact that you should not be trying to use every single thing that you learn in your trading. You need to simply find a model that works for you, that repeats, that you know will generate you money over a given period of time, given that you stick to the rules and you apply it with the correct risk management. But I really hope this makes sense and this clears up some noise.